What you're about to see is me trying to create stereo sound. Now I need to let you know, this is after all of it, if that makes sense, but let me assure you that no guitars or gear were injured or harmed in any way during this whole process. I hope you enjoy it. Good afternoon, good people of the YouTube. Budget Guitarist here. I'm going to try a little experiment. I believe there's a way of sort of slaving these two together and get them both running out of the line 6, creating stereo output. Now, the Katana I modified myself so I can run it through the cab. That's purpose-built, designed to run through a cab. Here's the cab. And here is a pile of mess. Somewhere in this budget pile of random bits that I've acquired over time is the solution. I just need to find it. Wish me luck. Say a prayer if necessary. Okay, so the first snag I've run into. So I need something that's got stereo out. Now, I did think that this had stereo out, but it's got instrument there, auxiliary in. It's only got one output. Holy, no, get off. That's only one. But fortunately, the only thing I've got that has got stereo out left and right is my Boss ME70. So I'm just gonna have to use that. Right, so signal chain. Signal chain. Listen to me like I know what I'm talking about. So basically, this is into the guitar. First pedal, it's going to go into the wah, and from the wah into the ME70. Now, here are the two outputs for stereo. So, right hand side, left hand side. Now, these two now, so the black one is going into the top of the Katana. The red one, follow that round, is going into the Crush. Now I just need two leads. I've got one speaker cable for the back of the cab. Now I just need to try and find a suitable something for the other one. So, moment of truth. Now this is going to go two ways. You're either going to watch me destroy all my equipment, or it is going to work. Right. Guitar in. Yeah, none of the amps are on. Of course it's not working. Oh, maybe that's a sign. Maybe that's a sign, don't do it. Oh, I've not connected them either. Give me a second. There we go. So there's the Boss by itself. Let me give it just a little bit of a... That's just the Boss by itself. Now, orange to, I think I'm gonna reverb off, keep it on the clean channel, keep the volume off for now. Maybe not. now and find out what's making that really weird noise. That's the orange by itself. It's now stopped doing that weird noise. I just swapped the two around. Let's turn that off for now. Now I'm going to plug the Katana in the other side, turn the Katana on. If that doesn't make the weird squeaky noise, I'll try them both at the same time. That's the Boss. Okay, so I definitely know they're both working. So I'm going to leave the Boss on. I'm going to roll the volume off on the Crush, sorry. No. Okay. So off. There's some kind of science happening somewhere. It might be the way the speakers are wired in the back there. They're not actually wired for, I don't know, but I think the issue is the actual cabinet. So I get all 4 speakers with 1 amp, all 4 speakers with 1 amp, turn them together, doesn't like it. I'm going to figure it out and I shall be back. Thank you very much for watching.